piece of breaking information that's now trickling in. This comes at a time when there's controversy and questions that are being raised over Ajit Pawar's death in that tragic plane crash. Now we're learning from top sources that 4 VSR Venture aircraft have now been grounded. During an audit that was ordered by the aviation watchdog, which is the DGCA, this decision was taken. In fact, my colleague Payal will be joining us, getting us more details on what exactly transpired. Payal, if you could tell us, why is it that this decision has been taken of grounding this fleet? Payal, if you could just unmute yourself and go ahead.
For the international standards, the inquiry was ordered and the inquiry report is going to be out in the next couple of days. Simultaneously, also an audit of all these aircrafts was ordered, and it has come to the notice of DGCA that 4 such aircraft did not meet with the standards and they did not meet the airworthiness. Important, very, very important point, and did not meet the safety or the maintenance standards as per the international requirement as well. That has come to the fore, and therefore it has been decided that 4 of these aircrafts are going to be grounded. This is huge, acceptability in terms of the allegations that were being made by Rohit Pawar. Remember, he's been chairing press conferences after press conferences saying that there's something which is a foul. And he's also been making serious allegations of the DGCA being hand in glove with VSR, which resulted in the unfortunate death of Ajit Pawar as well. So obviously, it's going to be a huge boost as far as their charges are really concerned as well. But it is very important. Maintenance is a key as far as the aircraft is concerned. It cannot be compromised with, and airworthiness is also one aspect. It cannot be really compromised with. How can you send an aircraft to fly if it's not fit to fly as well? That's the big question coming in as well. So this is the DGCA audit report, which was ordered, by the government. And that audit has shown that 4 of these Lear aircraft have to be grounded as well. And we have to still wait and see what comes out of the inquiry. The Ajit Pawar's death case has been ordered. That is expected to be out in the next couple of days, but huge admission of guilt over here from the DGCA saying that 4 of these aircraft did not meet the required standards.
Absolutely, and questions will be asked of the Civil Aviation Watchdog and the Civil Aviation Ministry as well after this audit. But for the moment, Payal, thank you so much for getting us the latest.